Good morning, ma'am. I'm Samuel Chalvaran. I'll be the one who will be assessing you today. May I know your name?
Christine Hernandez po.
What would you like me to address you, ma'am?
Christine na lang.
So, Christine, how can I help you?
Ang good morning po. Gusto ko lang po sana magtanong about birth control option.
So, you'd like to discuss about the birth control options, right? Is there any specific you're looking for or any concerns you have?
Well, I'm 22 years old. My husband and I starting to think about having a children, but we are quite not ready yet. I'm overwhelmed about the choices.
It's okay for you to feel that way. There are many options. We can discuss about the best for your needs and for your preferences. So you can decide based on what you feel right. Ano po 2 main types ng birth control options? Hormonal at non-hormonal. If prefer nyo po low maintenance, meron din po tayong long-term tulad na implant at UID.
Ano pong pinagkaiba ng hormonal at non-hormonal na IUD?
Ang hormonal IUD, tumatagal po siya ng 3 to 7 years. Pwede po siya malayan o kapayin po ang inyong monthly period. Ang non-hormonal IUD or copper IUD naman po, it contains no hormones at lasts up to 10 years pero it may cause heavier bleeding initially. Allow me, ma'am, to further discuss the 2 main types of birth control. As I said earlier, we have hormonal at non-hormonal. First, ma'am, hormonal methods use hormones to prevent pregnancy.
These include the pill, the patch, the shot, Depo-Provera, and the implant Nexplanon. The pill is taken daily, the patch is changed weekly, the shot is given every 3 months, and the implant is a small rod placed under the skin of your arm that lasts for several years.
How about naman po sa non-hormonal method?
Non-hormonal options includes condoms, diaphragms, cervical cuffs, and copper IUDs. Condoms are barrier methods that also protect against sexually transmitted infections. Diaphragms and surgical cuffs are inserted into the vagina before sex. The copper IUD is a small device placed under the uterus.
Thank you so much. This is very helpful.
You're welcome, Mrs. Christine. Don't hesitate to call if you have any questions or